Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping devices and initiating pairing. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked, updated to the required iOS version, and both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. Apple uses Bluetooth to discover the Homepod and Wi-Fi to stream. Once the Homepod shows a pulsing white light and you hold your device within a few meters, a setup card appears automatically. Tap Continue. The card transfers settings like Apple ID, iCloud, and Wi-Fi so you don't re-enter credentials. Now you configure the HomePod's behavior and services. Select the room it belongs to, this matters for home app automations, and choose whether to enable personal requests. Personal requests let the HomePod access messages and reminders when you're recognized. Make sure to allow location and handoff permissions so you can transfer audio and use intercom features. Once core settings finish, open the Home app to refine automations, set bass or EQ if needed, or create stereo pairs. These steps optimize sound. Finish by testing playback and voice control. Say, "Hey Siri," and a command, or play music to confirm the HomePod connects to Apple Music or your chosen service. Adjust volume by tapping the top or saying a level. If it doesn't respond, make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network. If problems persist, restart the HomePod from the Home app or unplug and replug it. If all else fails, reset the HomePod to factory settings, but note this removes all saved settings and pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.